Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem game crashing or stuck on loading screen, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally, restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, you have to open settings on your Xbox, then select device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage, then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Resident Evil Requiem update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. Make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click it to begin the updating process. Next method is to clear cache of Resident Evil Requiem game. For that, press Xbox guide, click on My Games and Apps, then tap on See All. Here search for Resident Evil Requiem game, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data and then click on Reserved Space. Finally, tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next method is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, go to the Profile and System, click on Settings, then click on System and then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space. Next is to reinstall Resident Evil Requiem game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Resident Evil Requiem, then press menu button and then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Resident Evil Requiem official website and download the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.